That's a very big ball for such a little boy. Do you like that ball? Go get it. Get it. Yeah? What do you think of it? Is it pretty cool? Oh. Are you posing? You're posing for a picture, but it's a video. Play with the ball. What are you going to do with that ball? What are you going to do with it? Ooh. Whoa. It's a little big, huh? Whoa! Here you go. Whoa! You bounced the ball. Whoa! You're so good. Good job, Billy. Ooh!
Oh! Ah! Oh!
I guess he's done with the big red ball. Alright, Billy. Say goodbye. Now he's got the annoying toy, so we'll go. Oh, maybe he's not so much done with it. Oh. Yeah. Whoop. You gonna try to put that in your mouth? Alright, I think we're done with the red ball. Say goodbye.